Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to write on a shared screen on Zoom. This is a super useful feature when you need to highlight important information during a presentation, collaborate on ideas in real time, or simply add visual emphasis to what you're discussing with your team or clients. Let's dive right into it. First, open your Zoom app and join a meeting. Whether you're hosting or participating, make sure you're in an active Zoom session before proceeding with the next steps. Once you're in the meeting, take a look at the bottom of your screen where you'll find the toolbar with various options. Locate and click the Share button at the bottom of your screen. This button is your gateway to sharing content with everyone in the meeting. Clicking it will open a new window that gives you several sharing options to choose from. In the window that appears, go to the Screen tab. Here you'll see all the screens and windows currently open on your computer. Select the screen you want to share by clicking on it. This could be your main desktop, a specific application, or even a whiteboard. After selecting your desired screen, click the Share button in the bottom right corner to confirm. Your screen will now be visible to all meeting participants, and you might notice a brief pause as Zoom processes the share. Now, if you want to use a whiteboard to draw or write freely, go to Documents in the Sharing options. This allows you to start with a clean canvas rather than sharing an existing window or application. It's perfect for brainstorming sessions or teaching scenarios where you need a blank space to work with. Once your screen is being shared, look at the top menu of your Zoom window. You'll see several controls appear. Click on Annotate in this top menu. This is the tool that unlocks all the drawing and writing features you need. Clicking it activates the annotation mode, which lets you mark up whatever is currently being shared. After clicking Annotate, a left sidebar will appear on your screen. This sidebar contains all the annotation tools available to you, including text boxes, arrows, shapes, and drawing tools. Find and click the draw icon in this sidebar. It usually looks like a pencil or pen symbol. Once you've selected it, you can start drawing directly on the shared screen. Simply click and drag your mouse to create lines, shapes, or freehand annotations that everyone in the meeting can see in real time, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to write and draw on a shared screen in Zoom, making your meetings more interactive and engaging. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.